Hello, good morning. My name is Hiral Bajareja. My topic is that from Macbeth to Makbul, a comparative study of tragedy and adaptation. This is my academic information. Uh, Table of content, introduction. Macbeth, a Shakespearean tragedy primarily set in Scotland, and Makbul, a crime drama reimagined as a struggle for power within the hierarchy or of organized crime in Mumbai. Both explores themes, ambitions, betrayal, faith, and guilt. Why is compare? Adaptation like Makbul show the universality and contemporary relevance of Shakespeare works despite spatial, temporal, and cultural distance. My research question is that how does Makbul adapt Macbeth to an Indian socio-political and cultural context while preserving its core themes? Uh, a hypothesis. Makbul retains the tragic essence of Macbeth, making it relevant to modern audiences through a process of creative mistranslation. The film reimagined ambitions, betrayal, and guilt in the Indian underworld setting while reimagining faithful to the original's basic theme. This is a historical and cultural context, setting and society. Macbeth, medieval monarchy in Scotland, and Makbul is a Mumbai underworld source of power. Macbeth, legitimate king Duncan, power snatched by God, and in Makbul, Mafia Don, power based on violence and illegitimate authority, supernatural and foreshadowing. The witches or weird sister, a true supernatural extension. In Makbul, corrupt policemen, Pandit and Purohit. Power struggle, monarchy versus anarchy, cutting oneself loose from the moral base. In Makbul, underworld the empire fighting for the Gaddi. Character parallels. Macbeth adapt in Makbul parallels role the tragic protagonist and Lady Macbeth in Makbul Nimmi, the instigator whose illegitimate relationship fuels the conflict, and King Duncan become a Abaji, Wallet leaders, murdered by his trusted subordinate, and witches. Adapt in Makbul corrupt policemen, Pandit and Purohit, the professed who foretell the futures via horoscope reading. Benko in adapter Makbul. Kaka, the loyal subordinate and friend whose subsequent loyalty is doubted. And Macduff, adapt in Makbul Inspector Pandey, the primary agent of protagonist eventual downfall. Themes compared. First hymn is ambitions. In Macbeth wants to the crown, and in Makbul wants to the underworld throne, but primarily driven by sexual jealousy and fatal passion for Nimi. And second theme is betrayal. Both kill their benefactors, Duncan and Abaji, leading to internal conflict. Faith versus free will. Witches prophecies versus policeman's prediction. Both are driven to crime by combination of prophecy and instigation. Guilt and conscience, both are men plagued by guilt, which manifest as a psychological destruction. Uh, Power and corruption. The elective to cut themselves loose from the moral base lead to moral and political anarchy in both settings. Role of women. These are features and Lady Macbeth and Macbeth in Lady Macbeth and in Makbul in Nimi. Macbeth, Macbeth's legitimate Lady Macbeth's legitimate wife, bound by a holy relationship, and Nimi, Abaji's mistress, Primary motivation, Lady Macbeth is a cold and ruthless instigator, driven purely by shared ambitions for the crown. And in Nimi, manipulative and persuasive, driven by carving for legitimacy and a desire for marriage with Makbul. A role in crime, Lady Macbeth actively insults Macbeth's manhood and instigates the murder of Duncan. Actively pursues Nimi, actively pursues Makbul to kill Abaji to secure their future and her status. Emotional arc, Lady Macbeth, initially emotionally dominant. In Nimi, initially dominant, but her character is given a layer of human weakness much earlier, making her more vulnerable. And cultural context, Lady Macbeth represents the disruption of the political and divine order of the medieval court. In Nimi, becomes the throne itself for Makbul, as his desire for her usurp from his ambitions and for power. Symbolism and imagery, motif, guilt, darkness, and prophetic atmosphere in Macbeth. Blood, dagger, and sleepwalking. In Makbul, blood and Abaji's hunting eyes. In Macbeth, night is the desired shield for the heroine's crimes, and in Makbul, vivid darkness, gloom, and heavy rain create an atmosphere of dread. Thunder in Macbeth, thunder and lightning, and in Makbul, the constant oppressive presence of the corrupt police and ocean imagery in the climax. Tragic downfall. Macbeth ends overthrown and killed by Macduff. In Makbul ends betrayed by his own people and hunting down. Tragic hero. Both protagonists are destroyed by their self-serving ambitions and guilt. This is my conclusion. The comparison between Macbeth and Makbul reveals how Shakespeare's themes remain timeless. Both works portrayed ambitions, betrayal, and guilt, leading to downfall by shifting the story from medieval Scotland to modern Mumbai. Bhardwaj shows that human flaws and moral struggles transcend cultures, proving the universal appeal of Shakespeare tragedies. This is my learning outcomes. This is my reference. Thank you. Any question? Uh, to the ground story in Indian realism, in Indian socio-political setting, corrupt police are believable professed who shape fate, replacing supernatural witches with human agents of destiny. Anyone? Yes.
Okay, my question is, what makes Nimi different from Lady Macbeth?
Lady Macbeth is a cold and power driven, while Nimi is emotional, motivated by love and legitimacy. This makes her more vulnerable, reflecting Indian culture's value about relationship and honor. Thank you.